Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search on StudySmarter app, but first I want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now on the bottom you will see some icons and tap on the third one. On the top, you will see a search panel, and down below, study sets and textbooks. You can choose between them, and on the search panel, you have to type a topic, for example, psychology, and scroll down, and here you have some psychology study sets. But if you want to see some textbooks, then tap on it. There's nothing found in this topic, but let's see with biology. Now you have Campbell biology, and you can tap on it. And you can scroll down and see this textbook. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.